star, the secret life of a plus b squared, more than just a math formula. Mathematics usually comes across as numbers, rules, and equations scribbled in chalk on a dusty classroom board. But sometimes, hidden behind those squiggles, lies a beautiful story. A story that spans over 2,000 years, crossing cultures, continents, and even human relationships. One such story belongs to a humble little formula. A plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Sounds simple, right? Just a multiplication shortcut. But wait till you see how this formula was discovered, how it shaped mathematics, and how it doubles up as a metaphor for life itself. Scroll 1, the Greek courtyard mystery. Let's rewind 2,300 years ago. Ancient Greece. Picture a sunny afternoon. White stone columns, philosophers in flowing robes, and a man with a sharp mind named Euclid, the father of geometry. Now, Euclid didn't write formulas like we do. He was a visual guy. He would tell his students something like, if a straight line be cut at random, then the square on the whole is equal to the squares on the segments and twice the rectangle of the segments. Translation in today's math lingo? Exactly our formula. A plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. But instead of writing it out, he drew it. Imagine a big square of side a plus b. He sliced it into 4 parts. One smaller square with area a squared, one smaller square with area b squared, and 2 rectangles, each with area ab. Add them up and voila! You just rediscovered the formula. No algebraic symbols needed, just geometry in the sand. Scroll 2, the Indian twist. Fast forward to ancient India. Enter Brahmagupta, and later Bhaskara II, the pioneers who gave us zero and dabbled deeply with negatives, positives, and algebraic manipulations. But the fun part? Around 300 BCE, a guy named Pingala, a scholar of Sanskrit prosody, was busy writing about poetry and rhythm when he stumbled upon the very thing we now call Pascal's triangle. Hidden inside was the secret of binomial coefficients, the backbone of expansions like a plus b squared, a plus b cubed, and beyond. In short, while Euclid saw the formula as a picture, Indian mathematicians saw it as a pattern. And patterns, dear reader, are where the magic of algebra begins. Scroll 3, the Arab systematizers. Now, let's stop in Baghdad, around the 9th century. Meet Al-Khwarizmi, the man whose name gave us the word algorithm, and whose book, Kitab Algebra wa al-Muqabala, gifted the world the term algebra itself. While Euclid loved geometry and India loved poetic patterns, Al-Khwarizmi said, "Hold my inkpot. I'll turn this into a full subject." He systematized the rules, solved quadratic equations, and wrote algebra down like a universal handbook. Without him, a plus b squared might have just remained a neat party trick of geometry. Scroll 4. Why do we even care? Okay, history class over. Let's get real. Why is this formula important? Because it's a shortcut machine. Imagine multiplying 102 times 102 in your head. Painful, right? But wait, 102 equals 100 plus 2. So 100 plus 2 squared equals 100 squared plus 2 times 100 times 2 plus 2 squared, which equals 10,000 plus 400 plus 4, which equals 10,404. Excited? Mind blown? That's the power of a plus b squared. From mental math hacks to algebra foundations, this formula is like the Swiss Army knife of mathematics. Scroll 5, Married Life Formula. Now, here's where it gets juicy. Did you know A plus B squared is also a love guru? Think of marriage. A is one partner, B is the other partner. If you just add their lives, A squared plus B squared, two individuals. But real marriage magic? The 2AB term. That's shared Netflix marathons, inside jokes, surprise birthday cakes, emotional support at 2 a.m. Without 2AB, it's just roommates. With 2AB, it's a true partnership, bigger than the sum of its parts. Scroll 6, Office Life Formula. The same magic applies at work. A is your skills, B is your team's resources. Your performance isn't just A squared plus B squared. The real growth comes from 2AB, collaboration sessions, brainstorming coffee breaks, and team synergy. That's why solo geniuses rarely outperform strong teams. Algebra knew it all along. Scroll 7. Afterlife Formula. Here's the philosophical spin. Think of life as A is the knowledge you gain, B is the wisdom you share. Your true legacy isn't just your personal learning, A squared, or advice, B squared. It's the 2AB, how your actions influenced others, how your words echoed in new generations, how your wisdom multiplied through society. Even after we're gone, that 2AB ripple keeps growing. Scroll 8. Why A plus B squared is basically life's emoji. So this little formula is more than math. It's history's diary, from Greeks to Indians to Arabs. It's math's shortcut key. It's a relationship counselor. It's a career mentor. It's a philosophical reminder that what we share multiplies. Next time you see A plus B squared, don't roll your eyes. Smile, because hidden inside those symbols is a 2,000-year-old love letter from math to humanity.